You can't see it, but you can hear it. Forward-thinking machine shop leaders call it the sound of money dropping to the bottom line. Some call it lights-out manufacturing. The concept is simple. Spend 4 minutes programming the job into the robot. Press the green button and go home. The robot does the rest. The robot tends your CNC machine until the job is complete. Finished parts are neatly stacked and ready to be moved to the next phase. Imagine what running jobs with less labor does for your throughput and your margins. Imagine what delivering parts on time does for your customers. To learn more about how easy it is to go from human hands to robot grippers in just 5 days, call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to talk with a human. RoboJob USA, first in CNC automation.